Alright, we're going to be beginning with priming our face. I'm so sorry I forgot to film an intro, so I'm going to be smoothing the primer all over my face, and once that dries down, we're going to be moving on to foundation. This is, I believe, the Super Stay Fresh matte foundation, and I kind of like this. I'm going to be building small simple layers and buffing them in with the contour sponge that you see here. This is my latest sponge that I've been reaching out for. I really like that. That's my doggy in the background. So quickly moving on to concealing the darkness under my eyes, I'm going to be using my ColourPop No Filter concealers. I've actually reviewed these concealers on my blog. If you'd like to see them, then don't forget to check out my blog. And I'm just going to be buffing for a more nicer neutral coverage, and because I've been filming back-to-back makeup tutorials, I'm actually running out of brushes and makeup sponges. I'm just buffing the concealer with a brush like this, and I'm pressing the concealer down with the same sponge that I used to blend in my foundation, but I do want to keep this look a little bit nice and glowy. I'm going to be using a liquid highlighter type of thing. This is from NYX. I believe this is called Glow Me Away, and I'm just pressing it where I would want to have a little bit of glow and setting the under eye areas with some loose powder. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder in Translucent. I'm going to be contouring my face just for a little bit of definition, otherwise it may look a little bit too round and flat for my liking. I'm just going to be hitting the perimeters, and then moving on to highlighter, I'm going to be using the ABH Nicole Guerriero's highlighter, mixing a couple of shades here and there, and I'm just hitting the top of my cheekbones. Once we have that, I'm going to be using the Pastel God palette. I'm picking the yellow color because I do want to have a little bit of vibrancy in the backdrop of my eyeshadow look. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. I just want a little bit of yellow or orange peeking through. So I'm mixing both the two shades from this palette, and then later on I'll be moving on to another eyeshadow palette. I believe it's the Modern Renaissance palette by, yeah, that's the one. I'm picking the orangey color from the palette and deepening up my crease over here with a pencil brush. I believe this is from Bloom Kit. Taking a little bit more darker, or everyone has to message me only when I'm doing something important like this. So I'm using the where was I? Okay, so right now I'm moving on to my main eyelid area. I'm picking, I believe it's called either Primavera or another shade. I'll put the link of all of the products used in this makeup tutorial on my blog. I'm just deepening up the color. I do want a little bit of orangey dark maroon type of look for this, and quickly moving on, the eye look is complete. We're just going to be finishing off the eyes with some liquid eyeliner and some coats of mascara. Feel free to apply falsies if you would like to. I just feel like back to back wearing false lashes, it kind of rips my eyelashes apart. I'm going to be lining the lower lash line with just a tiny touch of black kohl kajal eyeliner, just about 1/3 way through. I'm picking the same color that I've used for my main area of my inner corners of my eyes to brighten up the inner corners of my eyes. To finish the makeup look, I do want the look to be complete with a very monochromatic type of lip, but this color was not really that complementing, so I went in with a darker shade of red lip color for an ombre look. And this is perfect for Garba fever, when you're going to be dancing dandiya nights. This look is complete. I really hope you enjoy watching this makeup look, guys.